So it's Saturday and we are bound to Ikea in Kungenskurva. It's 30-minute drive from our place. So we actually have in Ikea just outside, like 20 minutes walk from our place. But it doesn't have that red pillow that we want for our chair, wooden chair in Philippines. So we have to travel and get that pillow. So stay tuned of this vlog. Thank you so much. And mega ka-artista, shout out to all of you and hi to all my members. Love you. And I just want to shout out Hazel Imperio, my VIP member. Thank you so much, Hazel. Special mention to Idea Island, my secretary. Chopay, Banana Queen, shout out. Mine Channel, Annalyn Ilideros, Eva Chef, Lola. Ayan, lapit na kami. We are near to our destination. That's the Ikea. So that's another store of Ikea, not the one near my house, but this one is, they have more.
Ska vi se hur vi kan komma över där också.
Stocks here. And you're still driving. I think it's about 5 minutes now. I just want to shout out Florax, Floro the Baker. Shout out, and D-Tech, shout out. Wapamiga Gabas. And then our flexing muscle guy in USA. That's it is Mr. 85 ATM. And we have our singers, beautiful singer. It's Zamabalia and beautiful, amazing 3K. Every weekends, thank you for all your support on my channel. And hope you have a nice day. Ayan, almost at the parking area at Ikea, the first store here in Kungenskurva. There we are looking for parking, and so we can go park our car. So yan na siya. Here, minus.
Det här är inte de
Oh, here.
Här är läder.
The back. Here.
Det fanns 6.
See here. Diba? Here it is. That's we want to buy. Oh, diba?
Går vi alla 6?
We are at the kitchen stuff and some laces. So it's a pillow, so what you like. So that I'm gonna send it to the Philippines Valentine box. It's a big Ikea hut, guys, in Kungenskurva, so you will get everything you want. And Ikea is an easy, it's a Swedish product with good quality, easy to install. So hope you like it. Ta-da! We got it. 2 chairs, mobile chairs, and 6 pillows and some stuff. So we are on the way home after shopping, and probably we're gonna buy some dinner at McDonald's, but it's a 30 minutes drive from our place because it's outside Stockholm, so it's from Kungenskurva. So but it's okay, it's beautiful weather, and look, so we're almost home. We just go past through that road tunnel, that one at the tunnel. It's basically going to be good weather, even though it's been raining outside. What a nice travel. Not much traffic since it's Saturday, and we didn't pay 2 fee, so that's good thing. So anyway, enjoy the rest of this vlog. Thank you so much. Love you all.